These are all immune cells and immune molecules that roughly correspond to an increase in immune system function. This study, which we will link to in the show note captions, is but one study of several other studies showing that deliberate cold exposure can increase immune system markers, especially when deliberate cold exposure is done repeatedly over time. So in this case, 3 times a week over a period of 6 weeks. But again, I want to highlight these aren't highly significant effects. These are trends in the direction of increased numbers of immune cells and immune markers. Now, what's impossible to know is how those trends translate to actual resistance to specific concentrations of, say, cold virus or flu virus or any other virus or bacteria. That would be great, but that's a very difficult study to do, especially in the context of deliberate cold exposure as well. Now, we can all be scientists about this and say, what is it about deliberate cold exposure that would increase immune system function? And there we can confidently say the molecules epinephrine and norepinephrine, which are released in both brain and body in response to cold water exposure, as well as things like deliberate hyperventilation,